What's up, my vibrant beauties? It's your girl Lette. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome you if you are new. Yeah, today I'm going to be doing another fall makeup tutorial. I love fall. As you can see, I have on my this, it's like a pumpkin-y. Yes. Before we get into the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. And without further ado, let's get into the face. Alright, you guys, I'm kind of switching it up today. I'm not going to be using my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I'm just actually going to be going in with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. And yeah, get this thing cracking. I'm still going to go in with my Jouer concealer. This one's in the shade Amber. Gotta correct these dark marks. Can't be out here looking crazy. Going in with the shade Coffee. Also going in with my Uoma Beauty Stay Woke Concealer in Brown Sugar T2. And just going like right here. Now that that's blended out, I'm going in with an OG. This is my Morphe Dimension Effects Contour Stick in a Pound Effects 18. And I haven't used this in maybe four videos. I've been kind of on my Fenty Beauty trip. And I'm actually just gonna go in with my Uoma Beauty Say What Weightless Soft Matte Hydrating Foundation in the shade Brown Sugar T3N. Partly because I want to see if this gives me an issue. I only tried it out once on my channel and then never used it again, and that's not like me. Going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder in the shade 330 Toffee. Gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty setting powder in Nutmeg for the rest of my face. Alright, to catch fallout and basically shape up a lot of stuff, I'm going to I'm going to use the Mercier translucent setting powder. Alright, going to do my eyebrows off camera and then I'll be right back. So I'm going to go into the Sassy Siennas palette first after I prime my eyes, and then the Smoke Sessions palette. So I'm going to go in with my P. Louise eyeshadow base in Rumor 4 and just dot that on my eye. Look like a crazy person, don't I? I'm first going into the color Brassy from the Sassy Siennas palette on my Melt Cosmetics brush, and I'm just going to, yeah, go in. Ooh. Like, this color payoff is crazy. I barely put that in there. Right below that, in the same, like with the same brush, I'm going to take the brown shade in here. I think it's called Stay Sassy. And I'm going to go a little bit below in the crease area. And since I feel like we kind of lost some of that brassy color, I'm actually going to go back in with it. And to deepen up, I'm actually going to go into the Smoke Sessions palette and take the color Space Queen. Yeah, Space Queen. And a little bit of Sour Diesel. And I'm going to take that on my Morphe M454 brush and just go right into that outer V. Oh yes, honey. Going back into the Sassy Sienna palette and using that Stay Sassy color, I'm just going to blend out the edges. And I'm using the brush that came in the palette. Oh, that's becoming so pretty. And with my Morphe M562 brush, I'm going to take that brassy color and go above, blend out those edges. Because we still want to see the orange, you know? Oh, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Okay, let me stop. And then I'm going to take my Morphe M224 brush and I'm going to go into Black Widow. It's like a shimmery color. Actually going to spray my brush because it is a glitter or shimmer, whatever you want to call it. And go right here. I'm also going to take Mean Green because it's calling me. Like, it's green, you know? Gotta use it. It's green. Ooh, yes, yes. And then I'm gonna go into Gravity 06. This color is like so pretty. Oh my gosh. And I'm just going to, yeah. Ooh, yes, honey. Oh my gosh. Whew. Oh my gosh, look at that. Yeah. Mm. Mm. Oh. Oh my gosh. When I tell you I'm like in total love right now. This I wanna cry. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and then I'll come back to finish off the bottom lash line and put on our mascara and our lashes. Alright. The other eye is on. So I am going to attempt, I've never done this before, actually put cream gel liner in my waterline. I see people doing it, but we gonna see. Kind of makes me nervous, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, it works. I needed a brown, but I needed a dark brown. And this cream gel liner is like a dark brown. So that makes me happy. So I'm going to run along the lower lash line with a pencil brush and I think it's Space Queen and Sour Diesel. I'm going to mix them together and go close to the lash line. And then to go a little bit more under, I'm going to go with that Sassy Sienna and that brassy color and just blend out those edges, like right here. And because I'm extra, I'm going to take that same like gold shade and line the inner rim of my lash line. Yeah, to go in my inner corner, I'm going to take my highlighter that I'm going to use from Dose of Colors and just go, yeah. I'm going to wait to do my mascara and my lashes just because I know I'm going in with more powder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe this away. Going to go in with my bronzer by Morphe, the Glamabronze, and just warm up my face. Gonna go into my Morphe blush palette, the AW, and take Provocative. Going to spray my face because she don't need to look powdery. Going in with my highlighter from the Dose of Colors, and Gold is the New Black. Wow. Gonna also put this on my brow bone. It's a brow bone highlight. I'm gonna curl my lashes and then take my Milk Makeup mascara. Then I'm gonna go in with the Rome eyelashes, or from Lily Lashes. These right here, and then I will be back to do the lips. And
20 minutes later.
Now that lashes are on and they're drying, while they are drying, I'm going to just do my lips. So I'm going to use Morphe's Trendsetter. And I'm going to use KVD's Plath, but I'm going to see how, if I want to deepen it up in any way. I think I'm going to deepen it up a little bit with Dose of Colors Chocolate Wasted. Gonna do my hair, and then I'll be back to show you the final look. Alright, you all, this is the final look. Let me know what you all think. I love this gold in this Milk Cosmetics Smoke Sessions palette. Oh, this right here, it just, all this greens and golds and oranges make me feel like fall. I love it. I'm happy. This looks beautiful. Let me know what you all think. Let me know what you all want to see next in the next makeup tutorial. Like I said, I love fall, so there'll be probably a lot more fall to come. I might do an all mattes, like a pumpkin spice, or maybe even just like a caramel frap or something fall related. And then just, I do see an all matte in my future though. I do see it. It's coming. It's coming. But don't forget to hit the notification bell below so you notice every time I upload. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. And I thank you all so much for watching. And like always, Lette out.